Hello children, welcome back after summer break and welcome to the EVS class also. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well and you have enjoyed your summer break a lot with your family members. Now it's time to get back to academics. But instead of starting new chapter, right now we will do revision of the previous chapters. The chapters which are in our EV1 syllabus. So let's start with chapter 1. And now tell me the name of the chapter. Yes, it is Our Amazing Body. And what are the important topics of this chapter? They are sense organs and their functions, external and internal body parts, then functions of body parts, keeping our body fit and healthy, and finally correct postures. So we will discuss about these topics. Students, you know that our body is like a machine. A machine has many parts and our body also has many parts. And each parts help us to do various work. Thus, all parts of our body are essential. Let's start with sense organ. We have 5 sense organs and you know the names. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Let's discuss the functions of the sense organs. The eyes help us to see our surroundings. Then our nose helps us to smell things around us. After that, our ears help us to hear voice and sounds. Next, tongue. The tongue helps us to taste things. It also helps us to speak. Finally, skin. The skin helps us to feel something. Hot or cold, smooth or rough, anything we can feel with the help of skin. Our next topic is external organs. Now, what are external organs? The part of body that we can see, we can touch are called external organs. Examples are eyes, ears, nose, hands, legs, etc. Now, our next topic is functions of external body parts. Let's start with hands. We use our hands to do various activities. What are they? Like writing, typing, pushing, eating, catching, throwing, holding, and many more. Now, functions of legs. We use our legs and feet to do many activities like standing, jumping, running, walking, kicking, and many more. Next is mouth. We use our mouth to do the following activities: eating, laughing, speaking, smiling, etc. We have so many external body parts and they have different functions. Now we will move to our internal body parts or internal organs. Parts of the body which we cannot see. They are inside our body. They are called internal organs. Examples: brain, stomach, heart, lungs, kidney, etc. Now students, look at the first picture. This is our brain. Our brain is inside our head. It helps us to think. It controls all activities of our body. Now come to picture number 2. It is stomach. The stomach is inside our belly. It helps us to digest the food that we eat. Now come to the third picture. It is heart. The heart is also inside our chest. The heart pumps blood to all other parts of the body. Now come to the fourth picture. These are the lungs. There are 2 lungs inside our chest. They help our body to use the air that we breathe through the nose. Next is skeleton and muscles. Students, under our skin we have bones. All bones together make a skeleton. It gives shape to our body. It helps us to move. A human body has 206 bones. This is for adult human body. But babies has more than 300 bones. Next is muscles. Like bones, we also have muscles under our skin. Muscles helps in movement of different parts of our body, like walking, writing, catching, laughing, clapping, kicking, and many more. We have more than 600 muscles. Now, our next topic is keeping fit and healthy. Together, all organs help our body to work properly. We must take care of our body to stay fit and healthy. Our body requires food, water, cleanliness, and exercises. We should do the following for good health. We should drink lots of water. We should eat nutritious and fresh food. We should take bath every day. We should play outdoor games. And we should sleep for at least 8 hours a day. We should also do yoga and exercises. They help us to keep our body strong and flexible. Finally, posture. What is posture? The correct way of sitting, standing, walking is called posture. Correct posture makes us look smart. Okay, students, so that's all for this chapter. Now what you have to do? You have to read the chapter at least twice. Then you have to revise the exercises of this chapter. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day and take care of yourself.